Also guys, before I start this video, don't forget to like, subscribe for quick tips and tricks and pair of skits. But before I start, I'd like to give a shout out to a new subscriber. So today's shout out goes out to Omar Yasser. So today I'll be showing you guys how I clean my room in a wheelchair, so without further ado, let's begin. So this is what it looks like. So what I need to do is I need to sweep everything that's on the ground and then just put it in one pile and then just separate from there.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag, I wanna wait.
And I'll just throw away any trash and put it in the trash can, and then get my clothes and put it in the laundry room.
With the rest I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything.
And I'll just put all this pile to one side and then just put it in the laundry room at the end. And you could just use your wheelchair to push it aside or just like pick it up and put it away. Then I'll just go on my bed and then clean my desk.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that I so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one, started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything I ever wanted. Created a legacy off of me just being honest. And the fake ones hate, but it's all to no avail. They wanna see me lose, but you know I never fail. Want a reality.
Then I just need to clean off whatever's on my bed. Then I need to put this in my dresser.
I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round.
And then I'm just going to put this in the closet and any miscellaneous stuff. And the reason why I'm not showing you guys how I put this in the closet or any other stuff is because I'll be making a separate video on how to clean my closet, so stay tuned for that.
Wait, all these thoughts are too negative. I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win. I'll take a stab, I wanna chase a bag. I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything.
So that's pretty much it. This is what it looks like. Ooh man, I worked out a sweat. Alright guys, so that's how I clean my room in a wheelchair. Also like to mention, I didn't show you guys how I put my stuff away in the closet, the dresser, or how I sweep because I'll be making a separate video for that, so stay tuned. So if this video is entertaining or educational, don't forget to like, subscribe. Until next time, bye.